watch movies on TV?
Children, how often you watch movies on television? You know, when you are not born, long ago, there was only one TV channel, namely Doordarshan. That TV channel used to broadcast one movie per week. For example, in Telugu states, I mean, erstwhile Andhra Pradesh, only one state was there. Na? So, one Telugu movie, and on Sundays, one Hindi movie. So, people used to get chance to watch maximum 2 movies on television channel during those days. Now, how many channels are there on your TV? Can you tell how many channels can you find? Have you ever thought of it? How many TV channels are there? You know? You don't know? Hundreds of channels are there. So many channels, and many of them keep broadcasting movies, screening movies. So there is a parents, please understand, there is a possibility of children getting addicted to this stuff. For just time pass, if the child keeps watching movies all the time, there are so many problems that you may have to encounter. Number one, the child gets addicted. Child keeps watching TV, is glued to screen time and again. Already as a part of its program, children, you have to watch the videos, right or wrong? So you are spending some time, maybe half an hour or 1 hour or even 1.5 hours in watching these videos. So the screen effect is there on your body, on your eyes. That is okay. 1.5 hours per day, not a big issue. But if you are watching the screen for a long time every day, your eyes will get strained. This is the first difficulty. And when you are watching TV, are you running around, or just you are sitting on the sofa? How do you watch movies? Do you do some exercises while watching TV? No, isn't it? You are just sitting on the sofa, sitting on the chair. So you are not mobile, you are not moving, you are sedentary, you are sitting at the same place. If you are sitting at the same place for a very long time, it will affect your body. You know, a recent case, one software engineer, this is a message for all the parents, especially software engineers. One software engineer, he was working from home from the month of March. He was working almost continuously for 12 to 13 hours because there was a lot of work pressure. He was hardly moving. Most of the time he was sitting at the same place. Suddenly he understood that there is a lot of inconvenience with his body. He was not able to walk properly, and there was a lot of strain on the body. He was admitted to hospital a week ago, and doctors have found clots in his blood. I mean, clots in blood comes because of COVID. In fact, that is the deadly sign. So doctors naturally suspected that he is suffering from COVID-19. So a test was conducted. It has come negative. So then doctors understood that because this man was immobile, was sitting at the same place stationary for a very long time, not even moving his feet, the blood has clotted in his legs. and it won't stay there. It will move to the other parts of the body. It can affect the lung also. Fortunately, that was discovered quite early. Otherwise, it would have become fatal. All the, I mean, what is the more, I mean, what should we learn from this? Even if you are working from home, don't sit at the same place for very long time. Keep moving. Every half an hour, get up, keep moving. You must, people working from home must do some exercise. When you are going out, all said and done, you used to walk, you used to climb stairs. There was a lot of mobility. You are now locked inside your house. I mean, self-locked. I mean, those people who are working from home. A 1500 square feet flat or 2000 or 2500, and most of the areas you don't enter. For example, males, they don't go to the kitchen generally. You are confined to your drawing room or bedroom to that table for major part of the day. Imagine its consequences. Same thing applies to children as well. If you are watching movies or any stuff, sitting on sofa for a very long time, you will become obese. You will not get strength. So you should play, you should run around. So that is number one disadvantage with watching films on television. Understand, children, I am not against you watching movies. You can watch, but when? How many movies? Weekly once with your parents' permission, or chalo weekly 2 times maximum. See, if your parents are taking you to a movie theater, they decide, are chalo, this movie is good. So you are going there by choice of your parents. But when it comes to television channels, parents, kindly understand, this is an instruction for you. You don't have the choice of selection. Children keep scanning different channels, and whatever attracts them, they keep watching. Remember, there are number of movies which are given A certificate, fit to be watched only by adults. If it is a movie theater, children are not permitted for A certificate movies. But same movie, when it is telecast on TV, children can watch. There is just some warning in the beginning, first one slide. Who cares for that? So children end up watching all this adult stuff. Children understand many movies have got violence. When you watch them, you also feel like hitting somebody, causing harm to somebody. Do you want to do that? You want to learn bad things? Yes? You want to learn bad things? No. You don't want to become bad children, isn't it? So, if you watch all bad movies on television channel, your mind will get spoiled. You can watch movies, but not every movie that comes your way. Parents understand these days there are paid channels like Netflix, etc., which are beaming or making available R-rated movies. In fact, most of them are not fit to be watched even by adults because they can pollute minds like anything. Okay, so of course there is a password for that, but children are smart. They may be knowing that password, and some of you might not have fed the password. There is a when you are not around, there is a chance of children watching those stuff. So you need to be extra careful. Understood? You can watch movies, good movies, movies which are meant for children, movies which have fun, movies which give which showcases good things of the society. But only one movie per week, maximum 2 movies per week. Understood? You should not keep on watching what all comes to your mind. There are a number of good channels. For example, National Geographic channel. Have you ever watched a nice film on National Geographic channel? They show animals, forests, the nature, the different ways of animal behavior. All this is quite interesting. There are number of edutainment channels. Children can watch those programs. That too not for very long time. Remember, screen time is so important, parents. NCERT has stipulated screen time for pre-primary children, primary children, high school children. So already half or more than half of their screen time is consumed by heads program video watching. Now they are left with only some screen time. They watch 3 hours, watch television channels for 3 hours or 4 hours. It will have bad impact on their health. So kindly understand and let children understand this. Understood, children? Okay, thank you.